Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. I just did a video earlier on this, and I thought I'm going to show people, instead of snapping to object, to use math. So we're going to set this thing, and also a free macro to help. We're going to make this thing with our ratio lock. We're going to make it 2 inches. 2 inches. And then I'm going to change my nudge factor to 2. And then I am going to Control D and use the right arrow key and Control D all the way around. Now, easily enough, you can Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, and you could have it snap to it. But a lot of times in some situations, it didn't work. It doesn't work. Or some objects. This particular one has the nodes we need and it'll snap to it. But one thing we can do is bring in guidelines and have it go from the top to the other point. I don't know that I'm there. Yep. Now, two ways you could do, you could parallel dimension tool this, and it's 173. But watch this. We're going to go to my tools and scripts, and go right down here to, this is Eskimo's free, and I'll leave a link to it. Guideline distance, and start guideline distance, going to come up with that box. I'm going to take away that just in case it interferes, but I'm going to click on that guideline, hold down the shift key and click on that one. 1.732. So it's even ran it out further. And also you have to hold down the control button and get a perfect line. And you could go further, with your digits and go 1.3. And I'm sure in Eskimo's deal, you could go further. So we're going to take Eskimo's macro and do the same thing again. And so I select the one guideline, hold down the shift. So 1.732. I'm going to type that in, 1.732. I'm going to take, and if you remember, they're 2 inches. I'm going to take this and make a duplicate and move it down. Whoop, Control D and move it down. Now, the thing is 2 inches. We just need to move it over halfway. So we're going to, instead of 2 inches, it's just 1 inch nudge. And we're going to take that and move it over 1 inch, and they're perfect. Now to do the next step, we're good to go with the left to right. We're going to go ahead and group that. We're going to go back to 1.732 times 2. Now we're going to Control D or hit the plus key and look at that. And then you could just keep going forever. So using math and that macro, then I'll put a link. It's free. Just download it. And I don't use it enough, but you could put an icon or actually make a hotkey for it and just have it at your will. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.